In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a video behind a paywall on Substack step by step. This process allows you to monetize your exclusive content, making it available only to subscribers who support your work financially. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Substack account. Head over to substack.com and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, where you manage all your posts and subscriptions. Having easy access to your Substack account will ensure a seamless experience as you create content specifically for your audience. Next, you want to create a new post. To do this, look for the button that says New Post. Clicking this will open up the post editor. At this stage, you're going to select the format for your new content. Since we're focusing on video, be sure to choose the video format at the top of the editor. This selection is crucial as it optimizes settings for video content and provides viewers with the best experience. Now it's time to upload or embed your video. You have a couple of options here depending on where your video is stored or how you prefer to manage it. You can either upload the video file directly into the Substack editor, which is great if you have a video file saved on your device. Alternatively, you can embed a video hosted on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo by pasting the link directly into the editor. This option is helpful if you've already utilized these platforms for hosting your videos and want to take advantage of their streaming capabilities. Choosing between these two options depends on your preference for storage and streaming. With your video in place, it's important to set your paywall access correctly so you can control who gets to see your content. Look to the sidebar on the right under Post Settings. There, you'll notice an option labeled Who can access this post? This is where you decide the accessibility of your post. For our purposes, you'll want to select Only Paid Subscribers. By selecting this option, you ensure that only individuals who have signed up for your paid subscription tier get access to your exclusive video content. This is an essential step for leveraging your content as a source of income and rewarding your loyal supporters with premium content they're willing to pay for. And there you have it, a simple but effective way to share exclusive video content with your paid subscribers on Substack. By following these steps, you're not only engaging with your audience, but also creating opportunities to grow and sustain your creative work. With your video behind a paywall, you can now enjoy the benefits of having a dedicated subscriber base that values what you offer. Thanks for watching and happy creating!